Ilyas, get the runner, we'll get the rest. We found him!
Stop running!
Who the hell are you to kick me like that?
Why the hurry, mate? Don't worry, you won't die. Behave and you won't get hurt. Come on then, there's hell to pay. Oh Allah. Oh Allah. I don't like running. Please have mercy on me.
Why do I always have bad luck? Where's the other oar?
Looking for this. I like runners. Because runners usually fear death. And you like living. So you'll speak quite easily. We'll get along well. Nightingale, Musa, find Ilyas fast. We should go. Carry the poor man, he cannot walk.
Excuse me for asking, but how does you plan to row with this hand, mate?